gonna be planting some plants.
Like watermelon,
Carrot,
and peas, and another watermelon.
tomatoes, and
Yeah, tomatoes.
hold on, I don't know.
Beets.
We're gonna put onions, basil,
Cilantro.
cucumbers. Let's get
Yo.
Sprinkle
Hey,
it.
hey. Sprinkle it. Sprinkle it.
Not like that.
Yeah, I'm making a video real quick.
Yeah, good job. That is awesome. You are doing excellent. What do you mean? Very excellent. Okay, we'll make sure they go up there.
How do we
Don't
do that to me. Why? You're doing dirty already. Yeah.
It is so soft. No, it is so dry.
No, it's so warm and moist. Why does this feel like it's a teddy bear? Like I don't know, Basil. What? I already got $1.
These are your oranges right here, okay? So put it in these right here. Put one in here. There we go.
I don't know what else to do. Take and put it in.
You gotta put a hole in it. You gotta put a hole in it. Now, Lucy, put a hole in it. There you go.
These beans. I'm going to
You doing excellent.
beans.
Man, what you doing? That's not watermelon. No, it's not.
It's carrot. Okay, yeah, that's better. This is mine.
Not yet?
So nobody goes in these. These are mine right here. I'm planting carrots and beans. Okay, these are my beans. Let me do another one. Put my seed in it.
So
Cover
the
it up.
beans don't need, but how many? How big are you?